Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
pizza. Oh, the Caesars.
They do say that.
Yeah, they do say that.
That's funny. So I have pepperoni, and then we have some cheesy bread, and we have some wings. This is our first time trying their wings, you guys.
Yes.
And what do you have, my love?
I got extra cheese. What's the name of the cheese pizza you call again? Cheesy.
Extra most bestest.
Extra most bestest cheesy. And I got my beef on it. It's not pork, guys. Beef.
It's beef.
All right.
But before we dig in, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I'm not even gonna ask because I know you do already. Because I do. You know what I'm saying?
All right, guys. I do have a story time for you today. We are going to dig in, and then we will tell you. Well, I will tell you my story time. Leave my pepperoni alone.
Got it. Don't worry.
Please.
I roast the big pig man.
I don't want you to eat pepperoni because that's the only time I can eat in peace.
My pizza right here.
You guys know I love blue cheese on my pizza.
Drop some
I'm
on.
gonna put some right
you
here
just
so I
gonna
can
dip
dip it in. Dip it on your side, man.
No, don't dip it. I just want my.
Put it on your side, man. You ever try? You always try to come eat my stuff. Dip my stuff.
Oh, you see that already? You got pork and you still worrying. I'm not gonna eat your pork, girl.
No, I want you to dip on my side.
Alright, take
dip
it.
on your side.
No. I make sure don't touch my wing them.
Let's touch your wings. Oh shh! The hell, honey? Come on. It's It's off? Oh man, you know what it is? 'Cause I didn't want you to dip any of my sauce. So it's acting up. Alright.
Family, I put some of the grace on it because you know I got meat. Don't try this at home, folks. Almost done. Gotta use the next bottle now. So what's good with y'all? Y'all missed us? I miss her.
We missed them for real.
We missed y'all. I know y'all missed us.
I was talking to like mother like daughter eats, and she said Malia was eating Little Caesars,
Wow.
and I was like, man, that sounds good. And that was that.
That was it.
That was it. But you was tired today. You didn't feel like coming home and cooking.
Want something fast for y'all. You know, Little Caesars got the little come up pizza.
Yeah.
I'm not a crust person, but I'm hungry today.
That's good.
I ain't here. Wow.
It's Italian cheesy bread.
Oh, you ever had this Italian cheesy bread? You know the Caesars lovers?
Yeah, this is our first time. This is really good.
It is good. So how y'all day going?
Tell me how you like those wings.
And some more though. Focus. I'm gonna try. Taste test.
It's supposed to be buffalo.
Yeah, I want to say crispy and crispy.
Yeah, I know. That's the only thing. We gave some to the kids. That's the only thing about when you order wings from a pizza place. It's not crispy enough.
But it's good though. It could pass. It could pass. It could pass from me. I'm still waiting. How was your day? What y'all munching on? I know y'all be munching hard too.
That's pretty good.
Good, good.
But we like them small too.
Yep. They like Little Caesars? Let me see what's up. Thumbs up in the comments.
Like Richie said, pizza, pizza.
Pizza, pizza. If you like with this. If you had never tried it with what you call it on it, ranch on it, try it.
That's blue cheese. Oh God.
It's the same. Don't matter with me. It's the same for me. Yeah. Oh. Oh, some of you had to work.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. Yeah. Somebody gotta do it, you know. No work, no mucho dinero. So you gotta work.
This is my first meal for the day. So
I had to work too. Don't worry.
I know.
Oh, okay. What? You say you stay home? You work at home? That's even better.
For real. A few of our families work from home.
Yep. Hook me up with that job.
All the cheese and pepperoni I drop off.
Taco Bell sauce.
You put every sauce on everything.
I'm a sauce person. I love sauce. Family, I love sauce. I'm a sauce head. Yeah. I'm trying to get a job.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to get me a job from one of them.
How many jobs you want?
I don't mind try to work at home. Work at home better for me. I could eat more.
Oh my gosh.
You alright? Come here, you jumping out the seat.
That messy.
Little Caesar's popping, B.
Blue cheese, pizza.
Good.
Yep.
Right?
It has to be this one. I know I showed it to you before, but I'm gonna show it to you again. This is the best one. That is the best kind of blue cheese. My goodness. It's really good. Because it tastes so
Oh.
like fresh. Doesn't taste artificial.
Blue cheese, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. A good choice there.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Family, thank you. I didn't feel like cooking today. I was so tired. Long day. Can't complain. But tomorrow, we have a good dish for y'all.
Oh yeah.
Good dish. Very easy too. Juice sweet, you know?
What are you drinking? Lemonade?
I'm drinking strawberry lemonade, family. Minute Maid. You know what I'm saying? The Get a Come Up juice. That's the Get a Come Up juice. Minute Maid. In the box. Right. I'll try it.
Sorry guys, I had to tell him a secret.
Yep. You're gonna see it soon. Nice.
I can taste it.
Me too. Well, yeah. Yes. I heard you. You acted that pizza is good. It is good. See? With my beef on it. I went to Caesars today and said, do you got anything with other than pork?
She said,
You wanted to give me
no, she said onions, green peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms. I'm like, meat-wise. Like, if
Meat-wise.
chicken, she said, well, we have beef. I said, he'll take it.
Give me the beef. Pizza, pizza.
Guys, so thank you. All right, family. So I have a story time for you.
Story.
Okay, it's about my jobs. You know? Okay.
Jobs. She had many.
So what I would do when I'm applying for a job is, I'm sorry, I'm hungry.
Take your time, girl. They not going nowhere. I know you're not going nowhere.
I hope not.
Because y'all want to listen to the story. Because y'all like the stories.
So this is how I would get all my jobs, basically.
True.
Okay?
True facts.
I would do the proper things, fill out the application, send in my resume. Okay. Then I would get an email saying, thank you for applying for this specific job. Someone, if we like what we see, basically, someone will reach out to you by either phone or by email and schedule an interview.
Yeah.
So I would wait about a week or so. And if I don't hear anything back, I would call. And I would say, hi, can I speak to the HR department? And they would connect me to the HR department. And then when someone in HR answers the phone, I would say, hi, my name is Shanice, such and such, and I applied for this position, and I got a missed call, or I got a voicemail asking me to come in for an interview, but she didn't leave her name, or I forgot her name, okay, I forgot her name, and she would say, oh, was it Susan? And I would say, oh yes, that's her, Susan. Susan called me in for me to come in for an interview.
Listen.
That's a burp. Oh, excuse me, guys. Yes, Susan, that's her name. She called me to come for an interview. She was like, okay, well, I can schedule you. And I said, all right. And she said, well, how about Wednesday at noon? Can you come in for your interview? And I'm like, yes, I can be there. So I get there for the interview, but check this out, guys. Nobody called me.
First day they did an old interview. Nobody called her. And she get numerous jobs like that too. She got a lot of jobs like that.
Nobody called me for an interview.
That's the little come up trick right there. Nobody called her for an interview, no?
Nobody.
She interviewed herself.
So she says, okay, schedule me. Once it's scheduled, remember, HR has a lot of people working in HR.
True.
They're not really communicating. So once you say, this person called you and you forgot their name, and then they say, oh, Susan or Margaret, whatever, and you're like, yes, or, you know, Keisha. Then they're like, okay, well, let me schedule you since I have you on the phone.
You good.
I got a lot of jobs like that.
Yeah, she got a lot of jobs. When she told me that too, I said, yo. And she could pass too because she could talk good. She well-spoken. You know what I mean? She know how to trick people.
So when I'm done, and I go for the interview, and I already know I'm going to get the job. I already know once I get there, I'm going to get the job because I know how to pass an interview. I know what they want. I know how to answer the questions. You know, I've done it several times, so I know. But it's just a matter of getting my feet in there. I need to get in there. Once I get in there, they're not going to turn me away.
It's true, because you know how to...
Yeah. And sometimes, by chance, sometimes there have been times where they will contact the other person and say, hey, did you call Shanice? And they would say, no, I didn't call Shanice for interview. But then, that has happened a little bit of times. But then, even though they say, no, I didn't call her, I'm already on the phone, then they're going to pull up my resume, pull up my application and say, well, schedule her anyway. That has happened. Another time, very, very rare, the person has said, no one called you, you're going to have to wait for us to call you. But again, now they already have your name in their brain, so then the next few days, you get a call anyway.
She's good. So, with that being said now, did ya ever did something like that? Or would you ever try that if you really want a job? Comment down. Her first lady good.
I did that.
First lady good at that.
I did that. I did that.
If you call, you convinced me too. I'm like, what the hell? Did I really call her? So because you know what to say and stuff like that. I'm like, okay, come in. Damn, and in my head I'd be like, shucks, I messed up.
Yeah.
And I don't know I call you.
Yeah, but it's too late now. And then when I was like 17 years old, and I was working in a supermarket called Gristedes in New York. Now this time I didn't have to do that because they called me right away.
Yeah.
So I got the job and everything. But they said to me, listen, Shanice, the location that we hired you for, they're doing renovation there. And you're gonna have to go to a different store for about 2 to 3 weeks to get trained. So I was like, okay. So my best friend at the time, she was like, why don't you come to my store? Because she was working at the same supermarket but a different location. And I was like, all right. So she said, Just come to the store. My manager's
Take a break.
name.
Take a wait. Take a bite of a pizza.
No, I'm full.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, my manager's my manager's name was Alfred at the time, so they was like, but I am full though. They was like, she was like, just come there and just tell him whatever. He ain't gonna pay attention. So I went there and I said, hi, my name is Shanice. Store blah 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 sent me here to get trained because my store is getting renovated. And he was like, oh okay, because it was. So when he checked it out, he's like, okay. But mind you guys, they didn't send me to that store. They sent me to a whole different store. I never went to that store. I went to the store that my friend was working at the time. So he was like, okay, well, go ahead and you can go ahead and train. We can train you here. I went there and trained. I never left. One day, it was like 6 months later, he was like, wait a minute. I promise you, it was like 6 months later. He was like, Shanice, that store is not finished renovating yet? I was like, yeah, but I'm just not going back. He was like, all right.
She good, yo. If you need no tips, holla.
Yeah, holla.
She know them. She know the tricks. Been there, done that. Supervised and moved on. First lady, you can't convince me, man. But I like.
When you gotta hustle, when you need a job,
call first lady. She tell you what to say.
it'll work. It works every time.
And you know what too? Next story time. She know how to handle customer service real good.
Yeah.
Like to get back money and stuff like that. First lady bad.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And when people call me, because I used to do customer service, I've done customer service my whole life. I don't let people get to me. They call me and they yelling and curse on the phone. I just put them on mute, to be honest, and let them get whatever they gotta get off their chest. And I'm doing my emails or I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. And then when they finish screaming and stuff, you know, I go into my whole speech. I'm sorry that you feel that way. Blah blah blah. But I mean, then I'm not taking it personally. It's not me they mad at. They're just mad because their bill is over or they didn't get their package, whatever the issue was. They're venting. So I let them vent, but I put it on mute and I'm typing, doing what I'm doing, and that's that. But that's how you get a job, guys.
That's right. First lady got the connects. That's right. First lady smooth with it. Don't worry. Holla at her. Oh, we appreciate y'all.
What's your word of wisdom?
Lord not.
You not dear words of wisdom, man.
Family, I almost forget the word of wisdom, man. I'm just so tired, yo. I'm tired, family. I'm not gonna lie. Look at my eyes, them. Look like I'm smoking the marijuana.
Look into my eyes. Tell me what you see.
Family, I'm tired.
Finish it, man.
I'm not finishing one thing.
Hater.
Word of wisdom today.
You a hater.
Word of wisdom, okay? Good catch, first lady. All right. I don't know if I said this one already. I'm tired. I might said it already. I might didn't. But you want to hear it again. The less you respond to negative people, the better your life will become. The less you respond to negative people, the better your life will become. So you know, put it in your words. Everybody's right. And comment down and let me know what you think about it. We appreciate y'all that we shared with y'all. Make sure y'all like, and I know y'all subscribe, right?
So wait, you keep on pointing at them.
Come on, let me talk to my family, my youth. Hello, let me chat. Look, don't leave me, let me talk, all right? Let me talk my things, them. And you know, first lady, every time.
Guys, we know that there are
millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate the time.
No, we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You not even know it. Oh, Ta'ala.
Bye.